Hello, it's Markham Torch here for Markham 3D. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It keeps you up to date with the content and with this playlist as well. In this section, we're going to be working on the point score and the timer. So let's start off by creating our point system. I'm going to, whoops, having a bit of a hissy fit there. I'm going to turn this off. So let's now add some text in. So let's go text renderer. And we will rotate that around 180. And I'm going to move that up and come in. Let's hold Alt to duplicate and left click and drag that down. So this one's going to be our scoreboard. Let's go time. Actually, sorry, I wanted the top one to be time. And the bottom one to be score. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select both of these. Let's go blueprint, convert selected components to blueprint class. Underneath, let's put this in the blueprint folder, and it'll be BP underscore scoreboard. Not CP, BP. Create blueprint. All right. So now I'm going to go back into, I've lost all my tabs at the top, but I'm going to open up the pickup interface. What I'm going to do is a new function. I'm going to call this point and compile. From here, I'm going to class settings and let's add in that pickup interface. Let's go event. From here, what should we do? Let's work on the score first. Which one's our score? The bottom one's our score, so let's call this text underscore score, and this would be text time. So text score, let's get this first. What I want to do is if we come back over into here, when destroyer of boxes destroys an actor, I want it to send a message to, what did I call it? Point. Okay, send a message to point, and our target will be a new variable, and we will call this scoreboard, and once again we'll make this an actor. There we go, and we'll make that open, get here, save. Let's come back into our motion controller map. We've got our destroy of boxes blueprint selected and our scoreboard. Let's select our little eyedropper tool and scoreboard there. So every time it destroys an actor, it's going to send off a message to point, and it's going to target that. So if we come back into score B and we right click, maybe I might have to compile. Everything looks fine. Compile. If I go point, nope, let's try again. If I go point, I want a function, event point, beautiful. So now what we need to do is let's make an integer to count. So let's go score number, and this will be an integer because it's going to be a full number. Let's go compile. So we're going to get the score number, what it is, and we're going to go plus symbol, and we're going to go integer, add integer. And we're going to add in 1, and then from here, we're going to set what the new scoreboard number is. All right, so if we go like that, compile, press play, and now nothing happens because we haven't really done anything. So from here, we're going to expand off this, and we're going to go set text, and we should have the option to text score. There we go, that one. Value will be this. Text to integer, blah, 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 blah. Compile. Let's play in VR. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. Awesome. That was 10 squats. I feel amazing and my legs are already sore. Now, let's set the time up. So I'm going to call this score time. And how long? Let's go compile. And let's go, how many seconds? 100. 20. Event tick. What we do first is select our event tick and go a delay. And the duration is 0.2 of a second. I want every 1 second. But let's go. Pretty much what we did here. We will get, we will get the time. We will minus integer 1 second. And then let's connect these up. And from here we will set text, and we're going to set text time. And here. Okay. Just for now, just for quickly testing, I'm just going to make this 5 seconds. And let's compile and play. Awesome. Brilliant.